In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gumroad to sell digital products. Gumroad is a popular platform that simplifies the process of selling products online, and today we'll guide you through setting up your digital products step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Gumroad's website. Just open your web browser and type in gumroad.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, you'll see various options, but the next step is to find and click on the login button. This will bring you to the login screen where you'll have a few choices. For the purposes of this tutorial, we'll assume you want to log in using your Google account, so go ahead and click on Google and select the account you would like to use. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily create one by following the sign up process. After you have successfully logged in, you will be directed to your dashboard. From here, locate and click on Products in the top navigation bar. This area of Gumroad is where you can view all of your existing products and also start creating new ones. To start fresh, click on the New Product button. This is where we get to the crux of the matter, actually creating the product you want to sell. First, you'll need to name your product. Think of a compelling and descriptive title that accurately reflects what you're offering. It's important to make sure that your product is set as a digital product, especially if you're selling items like ebooks, music, or software. Right below this, you'll be prompted to select the currency you wish to sell in and input the price. Pricing can be a crucial part of your sales strategy, so consider what feels both fair and competitive. Once you've entered these initial details, click Next, Customize. This step allows you to add a description for your product, providing potential buyers with more information to make informed decisions. You can also add a custom URL, which makes it easier and more personal when sharing your product link. To give your product a finished and professional look, consider uploading images or videos for the product cover. This visual aspect can greatly influence a customer's interest. Following this, you can further add comprehensive product information that might include features, benefits, or even testimonials, depending on what you're selling. Now, it's time to save your work by clicking on Save and Continue. This ensures all the data you've entered is stored securely. The next screen allows you to add content such as downloadable files, or type any specific instructions or notes to buyers. When you've finalized everything to your liking, proceed by clicking Publish and Continue. By doing this, your digital product goes live, ready to be shared with your audience and potential buyers. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your digital product on Gumroad and are now ready to start making sales.